My name is Amy Parks. I teach fourth grade at St. Bron's School out in Plover, and I've been teaching for 24 years. So I had Rose Helm as my first mentor, and she just was amazing. I mean, helping me, assisting me, listening to me, giving me some advice, but yet still letting me kind of feel my way to find my own personality as a teacher in the classroom. Mentees and mentors in the classroom are really important for success of new teachers that are coming into the field of taking over a classroom. It's really important that they're matched up with personalities, experience, and things like that to get success for the mentees that are coming into the field. Being a mentor in the classroom with another teacher in the school it's fun and it's rewarding. It's also difficult because it is time consuming. You have to find the time to sit down, listen to them, help guide them and train them. It's nice if the school sets up a program where they actually set aside time for the mentee and the mentor to get together and work. Being a student teacher, you still have your teacher you're working with who automatically becomes a mentor to you. It's not necessarily a set up role where it's set up through the school, but you're expected to still mentor them. You sit with them, you look through their lesson plans, help them devise a flow of their day, behavioral, disciplining, and different things like that. So the teacher still plays a mentor role, but it's not considered a mentor-mentee relationship. Two favorite growth stories for myself as a teacher is having two students of mine that were in fourth grade come back later and ask if they could a student teach in the classroom. And knowing that I made an impact on them as students, that they would want to come back and learn how to be a teacher from me, that's very rewarding. And so I've had two student teachers who I've taught, and that's just kind of a neat feeling to come full circle and to see that I've made a difference in some child's life.